Hello student, today we are discussing about terminal velocity. Then what is the terminal velocity? If a body, suppose that a body of mass m of radius small r freely falling in a liquid, then there are three forces. Three forces means that is weight of the body is in downward direction, and force due to liquid displaced by the body is upthrust, which is in upward direction. And when an object, yeah, freely an spherical object is falling in the fluid, then layer of the fluid act viscous force on the freely falling body, which is also अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ द रिलेटिव मोशन, यानी कि मोशन के अपोजिट होता है. तो दिस इज विस्कस फोर्स एंड दिस इज अप थ्रस्ट एंड दिस इज वेट. तो टर्मिनल वेलोसिटी मीन्स लास्ट वेलोसिटी होती है. दैट मीन्स मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी अटेन्ड बाय अ स्फेरिकल स्मूथ बॉडी व्हेन इट इज फॉलिंग इन द लिक्विड और फ्लूइड is known as terminal velocity. So when it attained maximum velocity, then F यानी कि viscous force and upthrust, the sum of viscous force and upthrust is equal to the weight of the fluid. Therefore we can write here expression mg is equal to viscous force plus upthrust. Here mass of the body, let rho be the density of the body, then we can write here mass means volume into density, यानी कि 4/3 pi r cube into density. G हो गया is equal to, since we know that according to Stokes law, viscous force act on a spherically smooth body falling in a fluid is 6 pi eta r v. Upthrust is the force exerted by the liquid on the body is 4/3 pi r cube. It is the volume of the fluid displaced by the body into density of fluid is sigma. Here we see that 4 pi in all the questions, in all term, and 2 is also common in all the terms. Therefore we can write here 1/3 r is also in this. Therefore we can write here 1/3 r square rho g is equal to, यहाँ पे 2 ईटा r निकल गया है तो आपको मिल जाएगा v और प्लस 1/3 दिस इज आर स्क्वायर सिग्मा. इसके साथ g ये मास हो गया इंटू g. वी कैन राइट हियर v इज इक्वल टू 1/3 तो ऑल में है, ये 3 हुआ तो 1/3 सभी में है, तो 1/3 आर स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे 3 ईटा है, आर स्क्वायर रो माइनस सिग्मा इंटू जी हो गया. तो v इज इक्वल टू, वी कैन राइट हियर 1/9, 2 दूना 4, यहाँ पे 2 भी था, 2/9 यानी कि 2/9 here is r square रो माइनस सिग्मा g अपॉन eta. This is the terminal expression for the terminal velocity.